Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bluescreen submachine gun in Division 2. This powerful named weapon is a fantastic addition to many builds, offering a unique talent that can significantly boost your damage. We'll cover the best strategies and locations to help you add this impressive SMG to your arsenal. Getting your hands on the Bluescreen can truly elevate your gameplay, so let's dive into the details and get you equipped. To efficiently farm for the Bluescreen, your primary focus should be on targeted loot. Look for areas on the map or activities like the Summit and Countdown that specifically feature submachine guns as their targeted loot. These activities offer a higher probability of the Bluescreen dropping. Remember to check the daily and weekly rotations, as these change frequently, guiding you to the best current farming spots for this powerful weapon. When farming, always aim for challenging or heroic difficulty missions, as these significantly boost your chances of receiving high-quality drops. Make sure to open every single loot container and cache you encounter in targeted areas. Playing with a group of fellow agents can also be incredibly beneficial, as you can share drops and increase your overall farming efficiency. These strategies will help you secure the Bluescreen much faster. The Bluescreen's true power lies in its unique talent, Perfect Flatline. This talent grants a significant weapon damage amplification against enemies that are pulsed. To maximize its effectiveness, pair the Bluescreen with skills or gear sets that apply the pulse status effect to your adversaries. This synergy makes the Bluescreen an incredibly potent choice for agents looking to boost their offensive capabilities and dominate the battlefield with enhanced damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.